Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are the Sawyer crew. I'm Lucinda.
I'm Henry.
And we are in Hawaii. If you've been following us on our channel, we've been taking you guys from Florida to California, all the way here to Hawaii. So yeah, if you haven't been following us, go ahead and watch our videos to show how we got to this beautiful place. And like, subscribe, comment down below. So what we have planned today is, we don't know. We are going to wing it. The boys are back in the condo and they was telling us certain things that they want to do. So when we get back, we're going to see what we're going to do as a family. And but right now, the most important thing is getting some coffee. And somehow we left our socks in the RV. Well, they left their socks. I didn't leave my socks. So we have to go get some socks. We have to get some socks for the boys. So that's what we're going to do. And once we do that, we're going to go back to the condo and make plans for the day. We're right down here in Waikiki. It's not busy right now because everybody's at work. But last night it was super, super busy. So I'm happy that we were able to come out and about while it wasn't really populated. So let's get our stuff from Target and head back to the condo. So I always get Starbucks, but I saw this long line of people waiting for coffee. And I looked online and it just doesn't have coffee. They have pastries, breakfast sandwiches, flatbread. So it looks amazing. So I saw the reviews and they said it's worth the wait. It's moving pretty quick though. If you see, moving pretty quick. How was your day going? So, just getting started. Yeah. I have a croissant for Henry, an apple tart, this dessert, I forgot what it's called, but I'll put it up on the screen. And then I have cold brew with some honey and some whole milk. And I got a little honey on the side, just in case it's not sweet enough. So, I also have this buzzer right here. When it goes off, my ham and cheese flatbread sandwich will be ready. So I'm just patiently waiting. I tasted the coffee. It was pretty good. I have to read up on it because it got me some benefit because it was like $7. And Kona. Yeah, I'm gonna look up on it. It's called Kona coffee because it's $7 or something. Oh, it's beeping. Let's go. Oh, it is? So what we're doing is heading on base. Well, we're already on base, and we're going to go to the MWR, and that's the place that you can buy discounted tickets through the military for shows, theme parks, different things like that. Instead of buying them out in town, we're just going to go to the MWR and get some tickets and see what they have to offer. All right, we made it back. Got dressed. We're heading to the beach. Right, Ethan?
Yeah.
Okay. We're ready to go to the beach mode. It's several beaches that's near us. We had some suggestions. So I think we're going to just freestyle it. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you, Dad?
Surf up.
Ooh. Really? Surf up? That's why, we're going to leave Dad home.
Okay.
You see, we love Dad. He's always so daddy. All right, y'all, let's hit the road. If you think that's a sea slug,
Touch it there. That's seaweed.
just grab it. What is it?
Grab it.
It's so cold.
It's seaweed.
Oh.
Oh my Lord, you thought that was a sea slug?
Oh well. You can use them.
Oh. Let me see. Wow. Was that rooted? Was that?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's like the one next to you.
Hey, Mikhail, welcome.
Mama, come over here. There's a school of fish on the ground.
Really?
Come here.
Well, that's where we're going.
All right, we're back. Back in the condo. The beach was amazing. We had a great time. The boys had a good time swimming and just the peace. You guys, the peace. It was paradise. It really was. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is prepare the boys some quick meals. I think I'm gonna cook some chicken nuggets and some tater tots. They're gonna eat that tonight, and me and Henry were going out. Because everywhere we go, we always go out and do something with just us. So then we can have that husband and wife quiet time. So we're gonna find some restaurant down in Waikiki. We can sit down and just enjoy each other and spend that quiet time with each other. But, I was gonna tell you, the 2 events that we planned through the military when we went in, it was let's see, tomorrow we have UTV. UTV, it's like a Jeep, I believe. Yeah, it's more like a Jeep. And it's gonna take us on an off-road tour where we'll be able to get off and take pictures and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna be the designated driver. I think so. I'm not sure, me or Henry. But so we're happy about that. And then our second event on Friday will be a luau. So you guys stay tuned for that. Super excited. We're gonna take you guys along with us. So make sure that you comment down below if you ever been here before. If you ever did an ATV or UTV, comment down below and let me know how it goes because I never did it before. So I'm super excited though. So let's get the kids some chicken nuggets and we're gonna head out to dinner.
Surely I will. And the fire is way out. Oh, you see me, you stand. I came back to let you know. Oh, I got the fire, and I can't go.
Hey, live performances and stuff like that.
And I can't let go. But you